Hello, my name is Jenna Cox, and we're going to be talking about the parts of the ear. The ear is divided up into three main sections: the outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. And we'll start out by talking about the outer ear. The outer ear's job is to collect and direct sound into the auditory system, as well as to protect the middle and inner ear. We have the pinna, which is the outer part of the ear made up of skin and cartilage, and it collects and funnels sound into the external auditory meatus, also known as the ear canal. Um, the ear canal transports sound received by the pinna towards the eardrum. It has glands that produce cerium, which is earwax, to help protect the middle ear by trapping debris, keeping the canal moist, and helping fight off bacteria. Next, moving on to the middle ear, it contains the tympanic membrane, the ossicular chain, and the eustachian tube. Its main job is to amplify and transmit sound. The tympanic membrane, which is the eardrum, is an elastic membrane that separates the outer ear from the middle ear. It converts acoustic sound waves into mechanical waves. So the eardrum is vibrating when sound waves hit it, and then these vibrations move the bones in the middle ear. The bones in the middle ear are made up of three little bones that are collectively known as the ossicular chain. You could see it circled on the top graphic where it's located within the middle ear, with a bigger graphic on the bottom. On the left-hand side, we have the malleus, which is a handle attached to the tympanic membrane. In the middle, there's the incus, which is the middle osticle that forms joints with the other two osticles. And on the right-hand side, we have the stapes, which is the smallest bone in the human body, and it's connected to the oval window of the cochlea. Its function is to transfer and amplify sound vibrations from the tympanic membrane to the inner ear. Our eustachian tube is connected to the throat, and its function, it has three primary functions, which is ventilation of the middle ear. It helps to equalize pressure in the middle ear and drains fluid from the middle ear. On our inner ear, it's located right on the right-hand side, and it's located in a hollowed out portion of our temporal bone with a series of interconnected cavities known as the bony labyrinth. It contains three sensory organs: the cochlea, vestibule, and semicircular canals. And the main job of the inner ear is to convert mechanical vibrations into neural signals for hearing and balance. Here is a better graphic where you can see all the main organs. The cochlea is the snail-shaped shell. It's coiled and contains sensors for hearing. It includes the oval window, which is where the stapes connects and sends vibrations into the cochlea, and the round window, which releases pressure or fluid from the fluid movement inside the cochlea. The vestibule is responsible for the sense of one's body in space, and the semicircular canals are canals of the vestibular system, and they're responsible for the sensation of movement of one's head in space. Thank you guys for listening. Here are my sources, and all images and graphics used were from Canvas unless otherwise noted. Thank you.